Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Super Smash Bros. Melee on Dolphin Emulator. First, you'll want to download the Dolphin Emulator from its official website. It's a free and open source program. Make sure your computer has at least 4 GB of RAM and a decent processor for the best experience. Once downloaded, extract the files to a folder you can easily access. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth gaming journey. Next, you'll need the Super Smash Bros. Melee game file itself. This is often referred to as an ISO or GCZ file. Once you have it, create a specific folder on your computer, perhaps named GameCube Games, and place your Melee file inside. Keeping your game files organized will make it much simpler for Dolphin to locate and load them. Remember, a well-organized library is a happy library. Now let's configure Dolphin. Launch the emulator and go to Config, then Paths, and add the folder where you saved your Melee game. Next, set up your controller under Controllers. You can use a GameCube adapter or map keyboard keys. Finally, tweak the graphics settings under Graphics for a smooth experience, aiming for 60 frames per second. Experiment with resolutions and enhancements to find your perfect balance. With everything set up, simply double-click Super Smash Bros. Melee in your Dolphin game list to begin playing. If you encounter any performance issues, try adjusting the internal resolution or disabling some graphical enhancements. For the most authentic feel, many players prefer using a GameCube controller with a USB adapter. Enjoy countless hours of competitive fun with your favorite characters, battling it out on classic stages.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.